Buenas hafadays and hoy! Anybody home? If you love coconut milk, chicken, and mint, Motsiyas is the dish for you. I'm making the soup version today to use up boneless, skinless thighs that I've had in my freezer forever. Slice a half cup or 15 grams mint. I learned this recipe from my mother-in-law, Doris Quinene. Motsiyas is chicken and local greens stuffed into chicken skin. I remember removing the skin from a whole chicken and mom simmering the motsiyas, leaving the extra filling to cook as the kadu. This is a half cup or 15 grams basil, and I'm adding the herbs to a bowl of 10 chopped boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Add 2 cups or 320 grams diced yellow onions, 32 ounces or 1 kilo of thawed and drained frozen spinach. Traditionally, Chamorro Motsiyas includes the local tomato leaves and pumpkin tips and green beans. This is a quarter cup or 59 mils of fresh lemon juice, 4 teaspoons or about 13 grams garlic powder, 1 tablespoon or 17 grams salt, and 2 teaspoons or 5 grams black pepper, a cup or 237 mils chicken stock, and 5 total cups of thick coconut milk. Stir to combine well. This version of Chamorro Motsiyas is delicious and freezes nicely. I can't even explain how homey and comfortingly delicious this is. It's a quick way to have your Motsiyas and eat it too, when you don't have time to take the skin off the chicken and chop the chicken meat. I'll make the stuffed skin version, but I wanted to use up the ingredients in my freezer. Into a cold pot, add a scant half cup or 118 mils coconut oil, then add the Motsiyas mixture to the pot. Give it a quick stir, then cover and bring to a gentle boil for 5 minutes. Look at that, it's such a pretty soup. The green coloring mixed with the coconut milk, it's delectable too. Stir some, then cover and simmer another 5 minutes. I can't wait to eat this, you guys. Yum! The steam is up in the camera lens. Do a taste test, and if it's good, add your doni. Stir and taste. And add more doni if you want it. More pika. Pika ka ka ka. What's that song? Come to mama, baby! A printable recipe for Chamorro Motsiyas is linked in the description and comments, as well as links for my other Guam food videos. Hope you like this. Adios!